Hi team, this is a quick video to show you how to add buttons to your table of content or to your Google Slides so that you can go back to your table of contents really quickly and easily. So the first thing that you want to do in your Google Slides is make a button. Let me show you how to do that. In the slide where you want the button, simply go up here on your toolbar and click on the text box. You should see a plus sign when you go back to your Google slide. Go to where you want the button, which typically I put mine in the bottom right because that is an intuitive spot for a navigation button to be. And then type whatever you want the button to have on it. So maybe you want the button to be saying table of contents, or it might say home. Then I format this button. So first of all, I select the box. I center the text. I'm going to give the button some background color. So I go up to this paint bucket here, select it. I choose blue on purpose, again, because blue typically indicates hyperlinks, which is what this is going to be. It's going to be a button that takes people to a new spot. When I put the blue background on, it's difficult to see the text. So I go up here to my A for font text color, and I make the text white against that blue background, and I also make it, I also make it bold. So now my button looks decent. It is ready to go. So the next thing I'm going to do in this process is link that button to the table of contents. So again, back to your button. If you right-click on this button, you'll see this option to link. Go ahead and click on that link option. And see here underneath, you automatically get an option for slides in this presentation. In this case, we want to link to the table of contents within this presentation. So we're going to click slides in this presentation and go until we find that slide 1, adding a table of contents. That's the slide I want this button to take us back to. So I click on that slide. I click on apply. And now you can see this button is hyperlinked. As a double precaution, I also go ahead and select the text itself, not just the box. And I add the hyperlink to the text itself as well. So again, right click on it, click on link, slides in this presentation, find the one that is the table of contents, apply. You'll notice it changed the color of my font. I don't want that changed. I want that white so it stands out. So I go back up to my font, I change it back to white, and I also take away the underlining. Okay, now when I'm in present mode, this button, see how I hover over it? I can tell it's a hyperlink because the cursor changes to a hand. And if I click on it, it takes me back to the table of contents. So you have completed step 1, make the button. Let me move this button over a tiny bit. Maybe thanks. That looks more evenly spaced. Okay. And we have linked that button to the table of contents. And then the final thing that you're going to do is just take that button and copy and paste it on all your slides. The nice thing is that once the hyperlink is embedded, it's just going to keep working. So I take and I use the shortcut Control-C to copy that button. And I go to the next slide where I want to be able to link back to the table of contents. And I use the shortcut Control-V or right-click to paste that button in. And go to the next slide where I want this and paste that button in. And then we'll double check to make sure it all works. So here we go. Go back to the table of contents. Oh, good. Here we go. Go back to, yep. And this one, yep, all working. There you go. That's it.